My good people, we thank Baba God for another day Baba God allows you. Welcome to another episode of PG Vibes Yarnings. Today our yarnings carry us go Santiago Bernabeu. And the yarnings na based on Sabi Alonso. He don't lose a job. But the main yarnings when they hear na say na choose to resign based on everything we just dey happen. But so far so good, sha. The guy ten not really bad. At least out of the 34 games he win about 24. 34 games when he play, win about 24. He draw 6, he lose 4. But not be bad record. But for a club like Real Madrid, now Real Madrid know they pity for person. Real Madrid know they get time for person. Real Madrid know they get time to babysit you. You got to turn up immediately. But I dey look back at their match yesterday against Barcelona. That match, Vinicius ball. But one thing I don't really like na his substitution. Normally, Xabi Alonso is when he come Real Madrid, he get the way they make his substitution sometimes. It always amuses me. But if you come up for there, if you look Mbappe attitude after the medal collection, when your coach tell you say, "Mona, come go do guard of honor," instead you tell your teammates, say, "May they come up for there, may they enter dressing room," and all of them follow you. That one a sign of coach when don't lose dressing room. You don't even need anybody to tell you. Say, Alpha, this man, no level for that dressing room. Nobody they send that. Because if na coach when be say they regard, they send. As Mbappe talk that matter, nobody go reason Mbappe. Everybody go with the coach. But from the look of things, I'm not sure say anybody they reason that man. No. Everybody just they go away. And that one and one of the major reasons when they say the guy they resign for the job. Say, like, it be like, they get the respect of these players. And another woman see they're gonna say ideology. Most of the players no buy into her. See that dressing room ego many now, ego many. So go easy as a young coach for you to handle that kind of ego. And people are on a reason. But anyway, they don't put whether an interim coach. I don't know. Maybe that the Man United model they won't emulate. Nobody know. They don't put Arbeloa as a coach for the now. But nobody know where Madrid go say employ. My people, how na reason this update? Na good move for Real Madrid or na bad move? More na comment below. Make we yarn, make we know what really una think about this whole separation of Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid. My people, make una not forget to like, una forget to subscribe, make una not forget to share this video. My people, una do.